Guys, wait lang. 99 Saudi Riyal lang to? Yes, you heard it right. Dito lang yan sa Warwick Alcobar. Taki Sushi Buffet for 99 Saudi Riyal. Feeling mayaman ka kahit pizza di peligro na. Why not? Tara, subukan natin. Let's...
Hi guys! So today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Taki Sushi. Pagpasok pa lang, grabe yung Japanese vibes. Super cozy, malinis, and very authentic yung feels. Check this out! Ang ganda ng interior, simple pero classy. Parang nasa Japan ka talaga. Perfect siya for date, family, or kahit solo foodie moment. Ang ayos din ng place, tahimik, relaxing, at super welcoming ng staff. Makikita mo yung super sushi bar, fresh na fresh yung ingredients. Alright, before tayo kumain, abangan nyo kasi mukhang next level lang yung sushi nila. Let's go! Grabe guys, look at this spread. Fresh sushi maki rolls na parang don't touch, parang mayaman vibes. Pero joke lang. Pero good news guys, every Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday, Taki Sushi is serving unlimited sushi for 99 Saudi Riyal lang. Kaya saan ka pa? Tara na sa Taki Sushi Warwick Hotel Alcobar. Napakasarap ang kanilang miso soup at samahan pa ng chuka salad at kani salad. Ito ang chuka salad, free seaweed salad na may kunting tamis at seaweed flavor. Ito naman ang kani salad, salad na may crab stick, mayo at crunchy na gulay. Grabe, tinikman ko na lahat ng sushi. Crab and ebi maki, tempura maki, tuna maki, pili maki, spicy salmon maki, dragon maki, California maki at photo maki. Ito naman ang yakisoba noodles, stir-fried Japanese noodles na may savory sauce. Hinahalo ko na lahat ng pagkain, chop suey, beef broccoli, shrimp and pepper stir-fry, fish tempura. Yes, lahat walang tapon. May sinamahan ko pa ng chicken, vegetable spring rolls, at marami pa pong iba. At ito na ang pangtulak ko, sweet at refreshing watermelon. So what are you waiting for? Kung ikaw ay craving ng Japanese sushi, Taki Sushi na at Warwick Alcobar. At ito na ang panghuli ko, may grapes, watermelon, sweet melon, and orange.
If you are looking for a Japanese sushi, Taki Sushi is the best place to be.